Joey,
Eh?
you want a dog?
Yeah, I'll take a dog. Where you gonna get a dog?
Down at the Two Cat Kitchen, it's time for us to pitch in and start another Two Cat show. Down at the Two Cat Kitchen, we're starting on a mission to put you in the culinary know. We've got the finest recipes you ever will find, guaranteed to show you all a mighty fine time here at the Two Cat Kitchen. Time for a new edition of the Culinary Two Cat Show. The Culinary Two Cat Show.
Welcome to the Two Cat Kitchen, the show that mixes musical mayhem with culinary calamity. It's time to start thinking about making our recipe for tonight, and I think you have some special guests here.
I
Is
do.
that right?
I brought my kids with me tonight.
Oh, that's who these guys are. Well, introduce us to your special guests.
All right, so I have here my daughter Molly and my son Ryan.
Hi.
Hi, guys. How's it going?
Hi.
Molly, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you've been up to lately?
I'm in 6th grade. My favorite subject is humanities.
Nice.
Awesome. And you're from Plymouth, too.
Yeah.
And how about you, Ryan? What are you up to these days?
Hi, my name's Ryan. I'm in 1st grade, and my favorite subject is art.
So what do you have for a recipe?
We have a sunrise surprise.
Otherwise known as eggs in a basket.
Okay.
Oh, that is
Toad in a
awesome.
hole sometimes.
Can we talk
Toad in
about-
a hole?
All right, so what do we need?
Yeah, what do
All
we
right, ingredients.
What you need to make a sunrise surprise is you need butter so that you can toast it.
Okay,
in
any
your
particular
pan.
type of butter? Is this like
just butter?
butter? Not better butter?
Nope. 100% pure butter.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
Yep.
Good.
There you go.
And then you need white bread.
White bread.
You can make it with any kind of bread.
But that's nice looking white
is
bread
better.
you got
Yeah.
here. Mhm.
Okay.
Sounds
And
good.
then you need
All right, white bread. So we
Then you need
have sliced
eggs.
bread.
Yes.
It's sliced bread.
any kind of eggs.
Any kind of
preferably
eggs.
large.
Okay.
The best to be large, not extra large.
One large.
One large egg.
Yeah, you use
Well,
one
one
egg to go in the center of the bread. So
Okay.
I'm gonna cut a hole in the bread.
Ooh. All right.
Okay, so we're getting into the recipe now. This is the sunrise surprise. How big is the hole for our listening audience?
A standard sized hole.
Standard?
Yeah,
Standard.
It's pretty standard.
so that your oak can fit in the hole.
So, okay, so you want to make a hole in the center of the bread
So that your
enough to
egg-
hold an egg.
Yes.
No,
Got it.
just the yolk
Just the yolk.
or the whole egg.
Yeah, it depends.
Yeah, the rest of the egg just
Kind
like
of comes out and it
yeah,
goes onto the
and it
other
like
side.
goes around it.
Oh, good. Okay, great.
And then you get,
Now, what do you do with the whole piece that you cut out? You save that for later, or
where are you gonna see it?
you need it? Can you give it to your dog? Dogs eat bread, maybe?
Well, I don't know. You know, we don't have any dogs in the Two Cat Kitchen.
No, there are no. That would be bad form. We can give it to our cat.
We would give it to it.
Molly seems to be rolling it around like clay
Cool.
at the moment.
Shall I
Gross.
turn on
Yeah,
the
No one
stove?
wants to eat that.
Preheat. Now, what kind of cooking are we doing? We're doing stovetop.
Stovetop?
Top.
Okay,
Yeah.
we're
So
moving over
what
to the
tools
stovetop
do we
here.
need here?
We will
Tools.
need a spatula.
Got that right here. Good.
Yeah.
Spatula.
Okay.
We are going to cut about about two lines on a butter stick.
Okay.
2 lines of butter coming up.
All right.
Okay.
And we have a fry pan.
Molly.
I think that looks like about one line of butter.
Okay.
Okay,
One line of butter.
line of butter.
Let's turn this baby on.
Uh-oh. Stand
Like a
back, kids.
tablespoon.
Here comes the flame. Uh-oh, it's not working. Oh, yeah.
Flame is not flaming.
The pile lights out.
Well, you know,
Do we need more gas?
No, I think the gas is
Is
okay.
it off?
this could put a real damn. Oh, we got a flame in the
There we
front.
go.
That one's working.
You know the budget cuts here at
There we
Two Cat
go.
Kitchen.
All right.
We're on a low budget. There we go. Okay, we got
Okay.
flame.
All right, Molly is
it's
buttering the pan.
Buttering the pan. That's
Yes.
nice. Okay, good.
So then we can.
Don't get too close to the pan. Don't melt it all the way because then your hand could touch it.
Oh,
Absolutely. So Ryan knows a lot about
Grease
stove
it
safety.
around. Yep, get the grease
Okay,
everywhere.
good.
We can let this side toast.
We're toasting.
And then we'll add the egg in a sec.
All right.
Yep. Once both sides are toasted.
Do we have to
Getting
wait for
ahead
it
of
to
yourself.
toast?
I think you do.
So
Here's the deal.
we can talk about just random things now while it's
Yeah.
toasting.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Molly, have you been on a play lately?
Yeah.
What was the play?
It was all about social media.
Yeah.
Really?
It's what's your random social.
Hard times on social media.
Just,
kidding.
Just like teenagers using social media.
Oh, okay. So it was had a good message to it. Okay.
It's teens using social media, and then they usually add like a teacher like get off of your phone or something.
Nice.
All right. So Molly has flipped the bread. We're flipping the
Yeah.
bread.
So,
Flip the bread, and we're looking
Can I do
at.
it?
so now what's happening?
We're gonna crack the egg.
I'll do it.
Uh-oh. This seems to me
So
to be
who
like
is cracking the
the
egg?
tricky
here?
part to
Me.
me.
Right.
Oh boy. Let's
You
see.
can put the shell right on there when you're done.
Ryan is cracking the egg.
Good.
There we go.
Peeling.
Oh.
Oh, nice. There you go.
Sit right on there.
And the yolk went right into the hole.
Wash my hands.
Oh, the
Is it
yolk went right into the hole.
perfect?
Yes, perfect.
Perfect.
Is that so?
Now, what kind of heat would you say this is? Is this low heat or medium heat?
Getting low.
What do you get? What number you got there?
On an electric, we would use about a medium.
You do,
But because this is a
The soap.
natural gas
Where do you get it?
stove,
Get it at
we
the
are using
South County
lowish medium.
Bulk Foods.
Lowish medium.
Yeah,
How do
we
you
put that
know?
right
How do you
here.
know when to flip it over again?
Once the egg on the bottom is like strong enough that it's not like leaking.
Oh, yeah.
It needs more time.
So it looks like it's kind of turned white. The egg is turned white on the bottom.
Yeah, but it still could use some more time to like fry up a little bit.
Yeah, sure. Wow, that's coming along nice. So do you guys have like
Now I'm
specific
going to
serving
flip.
suggestions? Like once you do this, like you put on a plate with a garnish, or do you add anything when it's done? Like
Salt and pepper.
salt and pepper's good. Okay, great. Does anyone ever have one with like maple syrup or honey on it? It looks like it's almost like a.
Shoot, I can't.
Oh, the flip.
Flipping
the flip
egg.
is tough. All right, we
Flip is
got Dave
tough.
coming in.
All right. One of the cats will try to help out.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
We got to flip. Look at that. It looks beautiful on that side there. I'm gonna,
Oh,
I'm gonna
it
take a
has like
picture.
a good like gooey middle.
Did you like it that way?
Yeah,
Excellent.
really.
There's a lot of people like to dip
Let's
the
see.
egg in
Let's
the
go
yolk.
with this plate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are we ready for plating?
Guys, you gotta
Plating?
flip it. Flip it
Okay,
back.
Molly is plating.
Oh,
Ooh,
looks
look at
like
that.
the yolk broke, baby.
Here we go.
All right. All right.
Unbelievable.
Let's get a photo of that finished product.
There we go.
Yeah,
Not
that looks
bad.
pretty good.
Here, you want some doodle?
Yeah, let me just go this way. Yeah, just lean it up a little like they do on the cooking shows. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's smiling at me. Oh, nice. Oh, excellent. Cool.
Now let's take.
Yeah.
Let's see how it tastes.
I like that.
No double dipping.
So he's dipping the bread in the yolk.
Yes. Ryan is double dipping.
Well, I'm telling you, there's nothing like the smell of melted butter and egg.
I know, it's so good.
It's like
Let's bring it
the
back
Two
to
Cat
the
Kitchen
beginning.
smells
eating it
really
all.
fine tonight.
Hey, but I need egg. I never got any egg.
Oh, that's an egg.
All right, I'm going to try some.
Okay.
Excellent. Well, thank you guys for sharing your, what was it called again?
Oh,
Sunrise surprise.
Sunrise surprise.
Now, are there any additional things that you could put on the sunrise surprise?
You could add bacon.
Or in the sunrise surprise.
Or in, sure.
In.
So take a piece of bacon and cut it up into like tiny pieces and then drop it with the egg and then cook it and then it gives you like
A bacony.
yeah
Eggy.
bacon and egg egg, but you can also do bacon, egg, and cheese, which you can also add cheese.
Yes.
So then you get bacon, egg, and cheese in the center of the bread.
That sounds like a low-calorie option. I like that.
All right, thank you guys for the recipe tonight. That was a great sunrise surprise. Was it sunrise surprise? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, thanks for doing that, guys. And thanks for coming to the Two Cat Kitchen. Do you have anything you want to say before we go?
My shout out is to all those kids who wish they could cook.
Oh, that's great.
Nice.
How about you, Ryan? What do you
Here tonight, I mean.
Yeah. You got a shout out to anybody or any last words?
My shout out to everybody is thank you for watching.
It's a podcast.
Well, you know, it's but I know what you mean. Thank you for
Thank you
listening.
for listening.
Excellent.
yeah,
Yes,
there
you
you
got
go.
it.
There you go. That's nice.